The life of leisure.
Look.
Gene always wins.
Good. He bit him and he went like that.
Yeah, I know. He's been doing that all the time. He says, "I'll rip your face off."
Dang. Once he gets bigger, though, he's not going to be able to win anymore.
Gene will be crying.
I know.
I don't know. You never know. Sometimes the little ones are
rascals.
Mm-hmm.
No, he's down in the ditch. He can't get out. He's getting stomped on.
That's it. I'm going home to Mom.
He said, "I'm trying to get more milk, you greedy."